Exercise 15.2. There are three questions. The first question. The diagram is a rough sketch of a field ABCD. Using a scale of 1 cm to 20 meter, make an accurate scale drawing of the field. So, we've been given the real distance, that is 100 meters, and we want to make it into the scale, that is the map. So, what we want to get is the map, and what we are given is the real one. So here it is 1 cm to 20 meters. This one is the map, and the next one is real. What we want to get is map, that will keep on the right side. Left side will keep the real one. So this is 120. We'll write like this: 20 meters, 1 centimeters. It's like 20 chocolates, 1 rupee. 1 chocolate, how much rupee? So 1 meter is 1 by 20 centimeters. We are having 100 meters. 100 meters is like 1 chocolate, so much rupees. 100 chocolates, how much rupee? So whatever it is, this, that will multiply by 100 centimeters. So this is 5 centimeters. So what we are observing is this 100 meters, and we are dividing by this 20. That comes to be 5. So this is 5 centimeters. Likewise, this will be 120 divided by 20, that is 6 centimeters. 90 divided by 20 is 4.5 centimeters. So this is our scale drawing. This is 5 cm, this is 4.5 cm, this is 6 cm. This given as 75 degrees, this is 80 degrees. Now we will draw this diagram. To draw this diagram, we will take 6 centimeter using the compass, and this one is AB. At A, we will draw 75 degree using the protractor, and will give a mark at 4.5 centimeters. That point is D. Similarly, we will draw an 80 degree here and give a mark at 5 centimeters. This one is the point C. Let's join it. The diagram is drawn. Find the sizes of the angle BCD. So we will use a protractor. It will give some value. And ADC, again it will give some value. I don't know how much exactly it will come. You can draw and check. It should be around 110 or so, as far as I'm able to see. This one is little bit more than 90, so it should be around 95 degrees. The third one, find the length of the side CD of the field. We can get this side CD using our scale. I don't know how much exactly it will come, but it should be around 3.5 to 4 centimeters, as it's visible to me. Question number 2. A ladder of length 3.6 meters stands on horizontal ground and leans against a vertical wall at an angle of 70 degree to the horizontal. What is the size of the angle that the ladder makes with the wall? So we've been given that this one is 70 degrees, and in this triangle this is 90 degrees. Sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So 70 plus 90 plus angle A is 180 degrees. This one is 160 plus A is 180. So A equals to 180 minus 160, which is 20 degrees. So A is 20 degrees. The second part says, draw a scale drawing using a scale of 1 cm to 50 cm to find out how far the ladder reaches up the wall. So he's asking us this, and we are given 3.6 meter, the real length of the ladder. To get the map length, we will keep the map on the right and the real in the left. So it is 1 to 50. So real is 50 and this one is 1. These both are given in centimeters and this one is given in meters. So what we can do is we can make it meters, we can make it meters. We can change the units and make some common unit if they are both the same, like centimeter to centimeter, so it will be meter to meter and so on. So 1 meter is 1 by 50 meters and 3.6 meters will be 1 by 50 into 3.6 meters, which comes out to be 0.072 meters. So to convert it into centimeters, we will multiply by 100, as 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So this is 7.2 centimeters. So this length is 7.2 centimeters. Let's name this figure. This is A, B and C. Now let's draw this figure. We will take this AC length, which is 7.2 centimeters. At A we will draw 20 degrees and at C we will draw 70 degrees. Where these two lines are meeting, that point is B. We want to get AB, so we can calculate it. Let's say we are getting some figure. Say we are getting 4 centimeters. He is asking how far the ladder reaches up the wall. That is, he is asking the real height. So we want to get the real one, and from the map we will get the real. It was 1 cm to 50 cm, and let's say we got 4 cm. So 4 cm is 50 into 4, which is 200 cm. Again, this is in a bigger unit, and to make it into a smaller unit we will divide by 100 so that it will come in meters. So we may get a figure like 2 meters. Question number 3. The scale diagram represents the vertical wall TF of a building that stands on horizontal ground. It is drawn to a scale of 1 cm to 8 meters. Find the height of the building. This is A, B and T. This should be F. Now we are given only this much, that is 35 degrees, and we are not going to use sin theta, cos theta kind of trigonometry here. That is, those things we'll be discussing in the next sections. So we'll do it very much manually. Using the printed material of our book, we will take the scale and calculate height of the building. This height is the one that is asking. Let me say we are getting 5 centimeters, and we wanna know the real distance, the real height. So the real thing will place on the right and the map one we will place on the left. So it is 1 cm to 8 meters, so 5 cm will be 40 meters. I'm roughly taking this. Similarly, let's say this one is 6 centimeters. This is the distance from the point A to the bottom B of the building, or F over here. There's a printing error probably here. So likewise 1 cm is 8 meters, so 6 cm is 8 into 6, that is 48 meters. So this will be 40 meters and this will be 48 meters. You please calculate exactly using your scale and you will get the exact measurements. For one-on-one online classes, that is home tuitions, please contact me. This is Sachidananda Rath from Bangalore, India. Phone 99450 Email ID sachinrath123@gmail.com. The details are also given in the description. Thanks for watching.